Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aramide Graphics. In this video, you'll be learning how to create a trendy viral name photo using Bing AI, as you can see on your screen right now. Watch the video to the end so I can show you the secret on how to do it. You go to Google Chrome, you type in Bing Image Creator, as you can see there. Then you click on search, then the first option is there. You click on Bing, as you can see then. Now you're in the Bing environment. If this is your first time, you have to register with your email. First time, you have to register with your email. Now let me paste it. Now I've pasted the prompt. Now let me edit the name. Let me type Messi. So I'm going to type Messi to edit the name. So now I click on create. As you can see, it's creating. So if this is your first time, you have 15 coins. So anytime you click on create, it deducts 1 coin. So as you can see, I'm going to get 4 different images. So I'm going to choose anyone I like within the 4 images. So it's loading. Wow, now we have 4 different images. So let me click on the first one. Wow, look at the name, it's correct. Look at the background, look at the sunset, lovely. Look at the art, look at the birds, making sense. So if you want to download these images, all you have to do is to click on the arrow there. Let me show you this icon there. As you can see, let me click on it. So let me click on it now. So as you can see, file downloaded. So you can download the image if you love it, the photo. So let me see another one too as well. This is good too as well. The second one, look at it. The spelling is not correct. It's not always correct. This is also good. Wow, lovely. I love this as well. So let me show you other ones I did to show you the names design using AI. So let me show you this one too as well. So I use Deborah. So let me show you. Wow, this is lovely. Look at the flower, look at the roses, look at the cloud, look at the background image. Good. Look at this as well. Lovely Deborah. Wow, that's good. So lovely. I love this one as well. Look at the nails, look at the sunset, lovely. Look at the clouds. So let me show you the other ones too I did. So let me show you this one too as well. So this is lovely. Vivian, so I did for Vivian too as well. Lovely. The spelling is not always correct. Sometimes Vivian, love this too as well. So lovely. So lovely. Love this as well too. And these two as well. So we have 4 different images. So then I'll also be showing you the other one I did. This one is very good. I really love this one. This part, I love this one I did. This one is called Dara. So after this Dara, I did one more name effect using AI. That was very lovely. That's the best. So if you can wait and watch this video to the end, you see the best one I did. Wow, love the font. Look at the effect. So lovely. Looks real. So now after Dara, the last one I did, this is the 4th one. The name is Angel. So let me show you. It's Angel. Let me go back. So I did for the name Angel. Wow, so I did it for Angel. So this is the last one I did. So lovely. Love this one too as well. So the second one, I really like this. The glowing name, the wings left and right, the clouds, lovely. The name Angel is good. So the other one, love this one as well. Look at the wings. So the name is not spelled remain L, but still good. I like the image, the photo. Look at this too as well. So if you want the prompt, this is the prompt. If you are still watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now for you to get all notifications anytime I drop any video. Do well to drop your comment in the comment section below concerning this video tutorial. Also make sure to like this video by clicking the like icon on your screen right now, and also share this video across your socials to your friends and to your loved ones. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.